Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Third option would be to add a pinch of salt. It can help balance the flavors. A pinch isn't enough to make it not sweet, and it's commonly described that less salt can make something taste watery, and adding a touch of salt makes things taste more balanced.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
It's easy to make hot chocolate from scratch. Add 1 cup milk to a saucepan and mix in the cocoa powder, sugar, and salt. Whisk until smooth, then stir in the remaining milk. Heat the mixture until warm, then remove from the heat.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
Mix the cocoa powder and sugar in a mug. Add about 1/4 c boiling water and stir until smooth. Then top up with water or milk. You may find that 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder with 1 teaspoon of sugar in 2 ounces of water is the perfect intense shot of chocolate you have been looking for.
Take our lead.
The other way of making thick chocolate I discovered was to melt cooking chocolate in a bowl on top of a pot of boiling hot water, just like you making chocolate cake, but no butter. While you are melting the chocolate, you may add in some sugar and cream or milk.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
Cocoa powder particles do not dissolve in water, they are more hydrophobic, so prefer sitting in a fatty phase. When you mix them through the milk when making the chocolate milk, you are using the forces of your spoon to mix them through and have them float everywhere evenly.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Allow the liquid to come to a boil. Keep it at a boil for 5 minutes. Cut the heat on the stove, move the pan to a cool burner, and slowly mix in the chocolate with a whisk. Mix until the chocolate is fully melted and the mixture is smooth.
Take our lead.
Dairy-free hot cocoa made purely with hot water lets the complex flavors of the chocolate shine through. You might think this sounds like a grown-up method, but many kids actually prefer hot chocolate made with water over dairy. Seriously.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.